I'm Linda, and I'm a product designer here at KiwiCo. I get to help make the projects for our Atlas crate line. I just love to travel. I took this picture while hiking in South America, and this picture while kayaking in Thailand. Each time I research a new country for Atlas Crate, I just want to jump on a plane and go there. Getting on a plane isn't always possible, but fortunately, you can always use your imagination to explore the world without leaving home. In fact, we can do that right now. I'm going to take you on an imagination vacation and visit each and every continent. Ready? Let's go! Our planet is made up of 7 continents. The largest one by land size is Asia, and it takes the cake when it comes to extremes. The continent has the most amount of people, the highest mountain, and the lowest point on Earth. It also has some of the world's most wild weather. In the northern part of the continent, you'll find snow-covered Siberia, where temperatures can dip to -90 degrees Fahrenheit or -68 degrees Celsius. Things start to heat up in the middle of Asia, where the Gobi Desert is. In the local Mongolian language, Gobi means waterless place. But there's definitely no shortage of water in southern Asia. Many countries there are made up of thousands of different islands. So a lot of kids go to school by boat rather than a bus. Now, let's hop down under to the smallest continent, which is surrounded by water, Australia and Oceania. This continent is made up of 14 countries, the biggest being Australia and the smallest being Nauru, which is so small you can walk across the entire island in a couple of hours. Many of these countries are surrounded by coral reefs home to millions of sea creatures. On land, there are tons of awesome animals like the echidna, the platypus, and the kookaburra. But my favorite animal lives on the continent south of Australia, Antarctica, where my beloved penguin lives. There are 4 types of penguins that live in Antarctica, and they are all very cute. This continent is surrounded by water and is covered in ice. Since it hardly ever rains, Antarctica is actually considered a desert. The only people who live on Antarctica are scientists, and they don't stay long because it's freezing cold. Let's hop on over to another continent known for its giant desert. Trust me, you aren't going to need a jacket where we're going. This is the Sahara Desert. Temperatures can hit over 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. It covers 11 countries in northern Africa. The other 42 African countries are primarily made up of rainforests or grasslands. Africa has some of the fastest growing cities in the world. The biggest, Lagos, is in Nigeria. The city is booming with people and businesses. It's especially known for its film industry, nicknamed Nollywood. Just north of Africa is Europe, another continent with vibrant cities. From Paris, France, to London, England, and Rome, Italy, Europe is known for its massive monuments. A lot of Europe's buildings are really old. Some are still standing after 2,500 years. Another continent known for its ancient artifacts is South America. In several countries, adventure seekers hike for days to explore lost cities like Machu Picchu in Peru. It's believed to have been built over 500 years ago by the Inca Empire. South America is packed with natural wonders, from the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains. 6 continents down, 1 more to explore. Let's head to North America, which is home to KiwiCo, and a bunch of other super cool stuff. The bottom part of the continent consists of Central America, where you'll find active volcanoes and beautiful beaches. Just north is Mexico, a country with amazing art and the largest city on the continent. The United States and Canada make up the rest of North America. They also have a bunch of big cities, like San Francisco, known for its giant red bridge, and Toronto, with its huge pointy tower. But there's also amazing things to see thanks to Mother Nature. I've always wanted to see the Northern Lights in Canada. Doesn't it look awesome? Maybe that'll be my next trip. In the meantime, I'm going to keep exploring the world with you. Where do you want to go next? If you want to learn about a new country every month, subscribe to KiwiCo's Atlas Crate line. You'll do activities, play games, and even cook food. Go to KiwiCo.com to check it out. And if you want to learn how to make your very own travel journal to document your adventures, watch this video here. We can't wait to see the places you'll explore.